Fortress.
So the journey begins?
Yeah, Jamaica.
Just on our way down to Heathrow Airport. Big boy thing, bomb. He knows me.
We have arrived at the airport parking in Heathrow. We made it in good time. We left at about 10 to 6 and we've just got here at 8:15. So
that's from the Midlands.
Yeah, so not too bad. The traffic was pretty smooth. We had a little 15-minute break at a service station as well. So yeah, it's all good. We're here.
So guys, we've just arrived at Heathrow Airport parking. Just going to catch the shuttle bus and go over to the terminal. We are at bus stop 6, Zone A. Hi guys, welcome back to ODT.Lifestyle. Today you join us on our trip to Jamaica. We're here at Heathrow Airport. We've just parked up. Let's get it. Right guys, so we've just gone through security. We're now walking through duty free.
No. Here we are. Lovely. Smell fresh for the plane.
That security was mad. Anything in these clear bags was just getting ripped out, thrown in the bin. But I guess it's all for the better really. Make sure that you're travelling safe, so can't really complain. A little bit of inconvenience for a bit of safety, it's fine by me. So now we're just walking through Heathrow Terminal 3.
Well, we've got Christmas.
It's like the start of the Christmas holiday spirit and it's October.
Wow, yeah.
So we're just in the airport. Just had a little breakfast. So we got croissant, jam, butter, hot chocolate, tea. Let's tuck in. So just walk into our gate now. About to board. 9-hour, 45-minute flight. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Big plane, man. Hi, you're right. Hi, how you on? So we just got on the plane. Seating's not great if I'm honest with you. It's tight as hell. I'm alright, but Chloe's a little bit squished, as you can see there. We did look for extra leg room, but it was all bought by the time we booked. So we're kind of stuck where we are at the moment. But we're seeing if one of the air hostesses can find us another seat. But for now. So guys, that problem's been dealt with now. Upgraded our seats, so we've changed to a different part of the plane. Got a slightly better view as well. We're on the wing. That woman, was an absolute nightmare. Pushed back a chair the whole way, and it was just giving Chloe no leg room, no consideration. So plus to Virgin Media cabin crew, they found us 2 seats next to each other and moved us forward. Top tip: don't ask, you don't get. What was your experience with the Karen?
Horrific. She did not care. She did not care. She literally did it on purpose. So we're very lucky that we got these extra leg room seats.
It's flipping in-flight Karens.
Fortress.
this is the Virgin Atlantic in-flight food. I don't know if you can hear me because it's really noisy for kind of an hour into the flight now. So I've had the chicken casserole. Chloe's also had the chicken casserole. Looks very nice. No, it's just typical plane food. Very appetizing. So about 3.5 hours into the flight, and the staff have just come round and gave us lollies. I've got to say, it's the first time I've ever been given an ice lol on a flight. So far, I've got to say, Virgin, really good service. So right now, we're just doing some holding pattern. So we've been going around in circles for the last 10-15 minutes. But we go over the Caribbean Sea. See again. Infections are really bad, but apparently there's a thunderstorm over the airport at the moment, and that's why we haven't landed yet. But it looks like he's starting to come in. I can now see the Jamaican coastline. So fingers crossed, we should be landing any second. I'm so tired. Welcome to Jamaica. After 9 hours, nearly 10 hours. Actually, it's close to 10 actually, to be fair. We've now arrived in Jamaica. Hear the applause.
Jamaica and the international airport of Montego Bay. The local time
Welcome
here
to Jamaica.
is just 5 o'clock.